take a little spill.
Yeah, let him go. He knows how to fall.
He's not going to get hurt.
On your butt. All right.
Better than I am. Sit down. Okay. Stand up. Now jump.
Now go down there towards Travis.
Ray, turn to the trap. It's okay.
Oh, there you go. Get back up.
Pop yourself back up. I got you.
Travis will catch you.
Put the board out in front of you.
He's walking
Where are
through
you,
the
boss?
Oh. I want to be on video.
He was doing better than that earlier. He was turning and everything all by himself.
Turn! He does really good. Hop!
Hop!
Hop, Ray!
No, other way. There you go.
That works, I guess.